Hello friends, good evening. I am Technodev and you all are most welcome to Nitya Technology. Today we receive HP ProBook 440G8 BIOS passport. It's a BIOS administrator passport. So we are going to unlock this. So what's step by step? So see, when we are going to BIOS setups, we are unable to go in BIOS setups because there is BIOS passport. So you can see here BIOS administrator passport is there. So to unlock this BIOS, first of all we have to remove the BIOS chip. So let's disassemble the laptop. Before disassembling the laptop, I will show you the laptop model number HP ProBook 440G8. This is our HP model number. So now we will disassemble the laptop. You can just see. After disassembling the laptop, we can see there is two chips. One is SP iROM and another is EC-ROM. So in HP this G series laptop there is two chips and one is EC and one is main BIOS. So our passport are saved in EC chip, but in other laptops the passport are saved in main BIOS. So first of all we are removing the battery connector, then we'll remove the EC BIOS only. No need to remove SPI ROM. We will remove only the EC BIOS and we will unlock this program. So let's remove the EC BIOS. If you guys are also facing problem related BIOS like no power, no display, sound issue, LAN card issue, Wi-Fi issue, NVMe not supporting or BIOS passport unlocking, then you can contact us in our Telegram groups. Our Telegram groups is Technodev BIOS supports and I will give the link in description also so you can join easily from the link. We have removed this AC ROM. So now we will clean and with the help of program we will first read and take backup of this AC ROM. So after taking this backup we will edit in hex editor and remove the password. So let's we continue. I hope you guys are really enjoying this video. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and enable your bell icon for latest updates. I have my own channel also that's name is Technodev. I will give my YouTube channel link also in this video description. So please go and watch that YouTube channel and subscribe that channel also. Here we have already read that backup file and we are going to save with the name of HP 440G8 block backup. So we have backup this file and we'll copy to new folder for editing. Okay, so now I'm going to open this file to hex editor and we will find a key which have a password. So we got this and we are selecting the path where the password is saved in EC BIOS. So we select the password and fill with F and we will save it again. Now this was unlocked, 100% fully unlocked. So you guys also want to know which key I have searched and replaced, how many area I have replaced with F. You can join us our paid group, paid classes, or you can send your old backup. We will unlock and give you a unlocked BIOS file in telegrams. So let write it again and I will show you the magic. To get more informatics videos and informations, you can join our telegram groups and also subscribe our YouTube channels. I have more one YouTube channels which name is Technodev, and I have given that links in descriptions, and our telegram groups links are also in descriptions. So go and join it. Our offline batch is already running and new online batch is also going to start. So if you are interested to learn advanced chip level laptop repairing and BIOS editings, you can contact us on the given number, or you can contact us in our telegrams. To enhance your education or your knowledge, you can connect with us to get bright futures. We are sure you will get the best knowledge and you will do the best in your tables. And that is our promise. Whatever you do till now, that doesn't matter, but we promise that rest of your life will be the best of your life. So now you can see we can easily go to BIOS setups and there didn't ask any passport. That passport is successfully removed. Now there is no any passport in BIOS. So like this type of case, if you have a problem, if you are facing problem related unlockings, you can contact us. Or you want to learn like this type of knowledge, how to unlock BIOS, how to repair laptops, you can join our online batches and you will get more and more knowledge and informations related laptops repairing and laptop industries. It is a very large industries nowadays. Laptops and technology is going very high. That's why you have to up to date your knowledge. To up to date your knowledge, you have to study, research daily by daily. If you are not doing research or study for about new technology, you will definitely feel problem when repairing or doing any technical works. So that is our suggestion. Please do research by yourself, or you are unable to do research or study by yourself, you can join any other groups or any persons, any institutes who are giving latest technology knowledge. So definitely you will be the winner and the rest of your life will be the best of your life. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and go in description and join our telegram groups. That's only for today's. Have a nice day. Good night. Thank you for once more. Bye bye.